Okay, today we're going to show you how to change the battery on your Ducati hands-free, also known as the Smartkey. What we're going to be working on is there's two versions of, no, it's probably three versions by now. This one is the one that you actually have to open up. So this is part number 598-102-71B. The other version has a, let me take the key out. I'll show you on this key. These are all brand new. The other version has a little thing where you just slide it forward and pop the case. This ain't the one. How you get this one open is, I usually take a battery, put it about right here in this one corner, pop it a little bit. This one opens up, all right? Sometimes they are hard, so I'll take a little screwdriver, come here and pop it, come around, pop it, till I get it open. Now here's the tricky part. Hold on. The screwdriver has a magnet and it grabs everything. There's a little tab right here. So what I do is I go right between these two. I push forward and then I go behind and pop it up. Some people tell you to put the, like a screwdriver, butter knife, whatever, and force it up. I don't want to run the risk of messing up this right here, these electronics here, and make this thing stop working. So it's up to you, but that's how I do it. I like to be very careful with this stuff. Have some batteries ready, 2032. First thing I would do is check the battery. Actually, this battery's dead. Just grab a new battery. So that's a good thing to do. When you get a remote or smart key or hands-free key from the dealer, always check your battery. You don't know how long it's been sitting on the shelf. I could tell you that this key right here has been sitting for about 2 or 3 years, because I'm not set up to do these yet. I'll be set up shortly. I don't get enough calls yet to justify buying all the equipment that I'm gonna need to make this happen. So just so you know. By the time you see this video, I probably will have the equipment ready to go. It takes me usually about a month or two to edit a lot of videos, because I have a lot of videos in front of me. Here we go. All right, good battery. As you see, this one was dead. Let's check again. So now I know that battery was dead. I'll replace it right now. And you just do the reverse. Put it in there. Pop it in here. Now, when you put it in, it's different. You can just push it in. Won't come out. Put everything back together. Now, if you're having a problem, your bike's not starting, we do have the ability to check the frequency to see if it's sending out the frequency. This right here is just a simple battery test. But I do have other equipment that will check the frequency. Also check the chip. I can check the chip now. Let me see. There you go. So the chip in this also works. So you could put this next to an emergency antenna, get the bike started, get your bike home, and then figure out why the wireless part of it or the hands-free part is not working. So I would say first thing I would do is change the battery if your bike won't start, and you put it next to the emergency antenna and it does start that way, then you know it's not transmitting. So at that point, change the battery. If it's still not working, you want to send it to us, we can check to see if it's transmitting some type of frequency. If it's not, then obviously you're going to need a new one. These cost anywhere from, I don't know what the prices are now. I bought this like about 3 years ago, but I want to say the prices now is probably anywhere from $250 to $400. I don't know if the dealer's charging to program it. That's something you will have to consult with them on. But I know this key by itself, it's going to be anywhere from $250 to $400. I'm not set up to do these yet because I'm having problems getting these keys. I don't have a good source for them because I need to get this version, I need to get the other version, and I need to see what other versions are out there. As far as I know, there's probably about 3 versions that I know about. It could be more. So I have to go out and purchase each one of them when I'm ready to start doing that stuff. So that's about it. Just give me a call if you need my help, or if you want to see if I'm ready to do this stuff yet. Just give me a call. I do a lot of the other Ducatis. If you watch my channel, you see that. I appreciate y'all for watching. I just thought I'd throw this out there. Somebody called me the other day about changing the battery, so I figured I'd make a video on it. Y'all have a good one. Catch y'all on the next one.